Hi, it's Jess here from Nigezza.co.uk. I've got this stunning card to bring you today, which I've used the lovely First Frost DSP. So I've cut it in half at 3 inches. This is going to be another video, and believe it or not, I'm going to make 4 cards out of that. These will be Christmas cards. This one, as you can see, it's not a Christmas card. It's a card to send a friend that I've been thinking about. So it's quite quick, and I'm showing the whole process, so stay tuned. So to make this card, I'm going to use this beautiful sheet from the First Frost DSP, and I'll be using the other side to make 4 other cards. Okay, I've got Highland Heather card base here, which is half a standard sheet cardstock scored in half, and then my usual mats in Whisper White. So the first thing we need to do is I'm going to cut this in half at 3 inches. All the measurements will be over on my blog, nigezza.co.uk, and I will put inches and centimetres on there. So that piece we're going to save for the other 4 cards that I'm gonna do, and I'm going to cut this to the same size as this white piece, so that it sits in the middle like so. I'm going to keep that bit as well. Okay, so I just think that looks quite stunning across there. I don't want to put much on it to take away from the stunning piece of paper, so I am using this You've Been on My Mind sentiment, because I'm sending this to a friend who has been on my mind, and I want to let her know that I am thinking about her. So I'm going to get a scrap of Whisper White, and I am going to stamp it out in Highland Heather. So I think the paper does everything for you, and it doesn't need very much else. I'm going to cut it out using the stitched rectangles and the little one here, see that one? Yeah, fits it quite perfectly. So we're just going to cut that out. I'm being quick here, so I'm just going to do it all so you can see. I just love stitch framelits. I think they give you such a lovely border that you don't necessarily need anything else around it. Put that out the way. I just think that down there on its own is just lovely. Okay, and I have got this this ribbon, which I did think I might pop across underneath that, and I might put it round the Whisper White so it kind of joins it all in together. That's my thoughts. That's what I'm thinking I'm going to do. So I'm just going to trim a bit of this off. And start assembling the card. So I need to stick those 2 bits together. So I'm going to do the other cards with this side of the paper in a separate video. But I just kind of doing a bit of a hashtag stretch your stash. because we haven't got money to waste, and we want what we've got to go as far as it can go. Just get a bit of fast fuse here to go on the other side. Gonna line that up with my mat, and oh, didn't do that very well. That going across there. The person I'm sending this card to is a bit like me, loves the purple, so that's why this was a good card to be making. So I'm going to stick that down. I have used this sentiment quite often for different circumstances, and I think it says it all, really. I might get a glue dot and stick underneath where the sentiment's going to go to keep that ribbon in place, and then I get some dimensionals. This strip will do nicely. Stick that on. And I might stick it in the centre, like so, and then we'll just glue that in the middle. Oops, ready to write on. And that is a very quick, easy peasy card. What's that taken? 6.5 minutes to do. And there we have it. Hope you like that. All the details will be on my blog, nigezza.co.uk. Should be flashing up there. Please like and subscribe and go and explore some more. And down below will be links to my shop if you wish to purchase anything that I've used. Okay, see you again soon. Bye.